Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don present the 2025 appropriation bill of 605 billion 76 million 65,857 naira 34 kobo wey align with im 5-point agenda for the state, and also go make sure say im government dey accountable, transparent as e dey deliver correct service to the people of Edo State. Governor Okpebholo tok dis one wen e show for the Edo State House of Assembly to present the 2025 appropriation bill wey chook mouth on top how dem go take raise money and how dem go take spend am for the new year wey oyibo dey call revenue and expenditure proposal for the 2025 fiscal year. Omuge pipo wey tanda for the budget presentation wey dem tag Budget of Renewed Hope for a Rising Edo na Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa, members of the EDHA Assembly, other government ogas, APC chieftains, Tori pipo and other stakeholders. The budget outline revenue allocation for omuge sectors like road, education, security, community development, health and agriculture to make life better for the people. Oga Governor come also mention say dem do the budget formulation with the aim to follow the federal government's renewed hope agenda. For the presentation, Governor Okpebholo come also say 162 billion naira go for road infrastructure, 48 billion naira for education, 63.9 billion naira for health wey also include 1.8 billion naira for health insurance and 4.5 billion naira for agriculture.
The proposed appropriation bill is a product of wide consultation. It will ensure accountability and transparency in governance for responsive service delivery to the people of Edo State. The 2025 appropriation budget is designed to achieve the goal of my 5-point agenda, which are security, infrastructural development, healthcare, food sufficiency, and education. We have also prepared this budget appropriation with the aim of achieving the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. Therefore, we have designed the program into the state development plans, which remain the basis of my administration in 2025. Let me at this stage present the high point of the 2025 budget, tagged Budget of Renew Hope for a Rising Edo. I am happy to announce that what we are presenting to you here for your kind consideration contains specific projects that align with our slogan, A New Edo is Rising. A highlight of 2025 budget. Mr. Speaker, the proposed budget size for 2025 fiscal year is 605 billion. This is 25% increase from the 2024 budget. 35% of this sum, amounting to 223 billion, will be deducted for recurrent expenditure, which the remaining 381 billion, which represents 65%, will go into capital projects. Road infrastructure. It is our plan to make a huge difference in the road sector. Therefore, we have appropriated 162 billion for road development across the state. We are aware of the importance of connecting communities with motorable roads for a rapid economic growth. Driven from one senatorial district to another and from one community to another has become very difficult in the recent past. We want to correct this and improve upon the road that make Edo State the gateway to another part of the country. We are also going to progress capital city of Benin, form a big and ancient city to a modern city. It was in this rag that I flagged off the construction of the iconic Ramat Park, flying over, which will be the first of such in the state. Education. We have kept our obligation to revisit the education sector and improve the deplorable condition of our schools from primary school to tertiary. We are all living witness to the regrettable condition of our tertiary schools in the past 8 years. My administration shall be providing 500 billion monthly subvention to Ambrose Ali University, Eboma, to ensure its revival for the share over time, which shall ensure continuous improvement in the administration of other tertiary institutions. To this end, the sum of 48 billion is provided in the 2025 budget to accomplish these purposes. security, and community development. My administration shall also be powered by the drive to bring about peace and harmony in all parts of the state. My administration has recently purchased 20 patrol vehicles to assist the security personnel in their work, and we plan to purchase more in the coming year. The ban on the activities of the Edo vigilante has been lifted. On health, 63.9 billion has been earmarked for 2025 fiscal year. We are currently reviewing the health sector to ensure that health is accessible and affordable. With the commitment to increase access to quality healthcare, 1.8 billion has been set aside for the health insurance. Agriculture. Agriculture plays a vital role in our food production, as well as revenue generation and job creation. It's therefore the desire of this administration to strengthen the agricultural sector, particularly in the areas of farm mechanization. We shall take special attention to the security of our farmers and ensure our farmers' farmland are safe. Accordingly, the sum of 4.5 billion has been proposed for 2025 budget estimated for agricultural subsectors. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I have highlighted the major policy of 2025 budget aimed at uplifting the social economic condition of our people. Let me once again renew my deep appreciation to the Honorable House for the cooperation and support extended to this administration since inception. I want to sincerely appreciate the President, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, for his forthright leadership, as well as the timely intervention in our state in road construction, education, workers' welfare. Mr. Speaker and honorable members, it is now my pleasure and honor to present to you the Edo State 2025 Appropriation Bill and details of the budget proposal for consideration and approval. Thank you for your kind consideration.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We don't clap in the hollow chambers. Thank you very much.
Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, when he responds to the governor's presentation, come assure say the legislative arm go work well with the governor to carry Edo go the better place he deserve. He come also talk say the House go take time to check the 2025 budget well and come call on all the MDAs to submit all important documents wey go help them pass the bill fast.
The legislative arm of government will work with you effectively well to take our dear states to the heights it deserves. Thank you very much. It is with a great pride and pleasure and a high sense of accomplishment that I welcome everyone to this event, the 2025 budget session, the second under the 8th Assembly. This is a yearly and symbolic tradition and fundamental constitutional requirements as enshrined in Section 81(1) of the 1999 Constitution as amended. This year's budget presentation is also symbolic as it is the first in the dispensation of the newly inaugurated Governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, who was inaugurated on November 12, 2024. The 8th Assembly was inaugurated on the 16th of June, 2023. The House swung into action to ensure we meet the desired impact. Over 24 bills have been passed. These include year 2024 Appropriation Bill and the revised Edo State budget, and the bill banning open defecation in Edo State, among others, towards ensuring the good development of Edo State. The 8th Assembly has also passed the 24 revised appropriation bill for the smooth running of the present administration under Senator Monday Okpebholo. The 8th Assembly has passed over 60 resolutions. Notable among these resolutions is the invitation and tackling of the officials of the Federal Road Maintenance Agency and the Federal Ministry of Works over the deplorable state of federal roads in the state. This has yielded desired results as the Federal Ministry of Works has mobilized to site to commence work on these roads. Another notable move by this great house of dynamic legislators is the resolution on the increased spate of kidnapping, which was again becoming a threat to the society. Ladies and gentlemen, the 8th Assembly has worked hand in glove with other arms of government to give the people desired benefits, development and growth of the state. We have 24 lawmakers who, irrespective of political affiliation, have the zeal, the strength, the passion, and burning desire to ensure they do not fail their constituents who came out in their numbers during the elections to vote massively for them. As usual, we would not fail in our duties to ensure this 2025 budget estimate is looked at carefully and thoroughly. Effective oversight to ensure it delivers on its promise to stimulate the economy, boost socio-economic life, and give the people meaningful development. The 8th Assembly passed 486 billion in reverse appropriation bill for the smooth commencement of the present administration under the Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo. It is the wish of the 8th Assembly that the Governor, as he has taken over the saddle given to him by the people of the state, the needed developments with good infrastructure and other needed amenities. In conclusion, I urge all MDAs and ministries to provide the House Committee necessary documents that will aid the speedy and fruitful passage of the budget.
The House come adjourn sitting to Wednesday, December 11, 2024 by 10 o'clock for morning. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.